Got it? Yo, welcome back. Today's a big day. In the last videos, you saw me go over the parts. You saw me introduce the car myself. And then, I even went ahead to prep the chassis, like putting these mounts in, getting the chassis ready to receive this engine. So today, it's going in, but before we do that, I'm going to be removing some things that we don't need. Mainly just be easier to take them off while it's out the engine bay. We're gonna move this front torque mount because we can always put it back on later. We're gonna be removing the exhaust manifold, the header back here, and the rear mount. So all these things back here are gonna be gone. That front mount's gonna be gone. And then there's this bracket here that we're not gonna be using, so that'll be gone as well. And then everything else, just gonna tuck it away nicely and hoist it up. We're definitely in for a challenge because we don't really know where to lift it besides where it mounts to the body. Like, try to lift it here, but that's where we have to mount it in the body, so it's gonna be a challenge. And the same goes for the transmission side. So we're gonna do what we can do. We got some jacks to help us, but we'll figure it out. So.